Hello students, we are now about to complete this particular chapter, that is excretion and osmoregulation. Okay. So in the last topic we will be studying about the types of kidney. Okay. Types of kidney, see, as per the evolution there was much more development of the excretory system in advanced animals. Advanced animals कौन से रहेंगे? Animals which belongs to phylum Chordata. Okay, phylum Chordata में subphylum Vertebrata which is there, it is divided into 5 classes. Class Pisces till class Mammalia. So definitely the last two classes, that is class Aves and class Mammalia, these two classes of subphylum Vertebrata, phylum Chordata will have most advanced type of kidney. Okay. So now let us study how there was development of the advanced type of kidney. Okay. From the lower organisms to higher organisms. Got it? So what is the basic function of the kidney which we have learned till now? Kidney is responsible for excretion of the nitrogenous waste as well as it is responsible for osmoregulation, that is maintenance of water and salt balance. In addition to this, it is also involved in hormonal regulation. Okay, got it? So in types of kidney, we will firstly learn lower animals में, less advanced animals में कौन से type का kidney था and how that kidney got developed into much more efficient excretory system. Okay, how that kidney formed the well developed excretory system, that will be learning. So types of kidney में first is ancestral kidney or archaeonephric kidney. Okay, then anterior kidney or protonephric kidney, then middle kidney or mesonephric kidney, and one more last one which is the advanced one, that is metanephric kidney or posterior kidney. Got it? So कितने हो गए total? Ancestral, anterior, middle and metanephric. So total 4 different types of kidney which will be learning, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So ancestral kidney or archaeonephric kidney, we will see the details as per the general characters. Okay. So general points हम लोग जो discuss करने वाले हैं in this comparative topic is functional कौन से organisms में वो type का kidney है, then non functional कौन से organisms में है, and which is the structure which is present in the kidney responsible for filtration of the nitrogenous waste. Okay, got it? So firstly ancestral kidney or archaeonephric kidney में functional, this type of kidney is functional in larvae of myxine. Myxine is what? Hagfish, and hagfish is the example of class cyclostomata. Okay, so cyclostomata में साइक्लोस्टोमाटा को कौन सा ऑर्गेनिज्म बिलोंग कर रहा है? ये मिक्सिन हैगफिश है. मिक्सिन में एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग एडल्ट मिक्सिन विल हैव विच टाइप ऑफ किडनी? एंटीरियर किडनी और प्रोटोनेफ्रिक किडनी. ओके, गॉट इट. बट उसका लार्वा में कौन सा टाइप का किडनी रहेगा? लेस एडवांस किडनी दैन एंटीरियर किडनी, एंड दैट इज एंसेस्ट्रल किडनी. ओके, ancestral kidney or archaeonephric kidney. Archaeonephric kidney. Okay, got it. So archaeonephric kidney is seen in larvae of myxine. Archaeo means primitive. Okay. Now non-functional in, definitely it will be non-functional in all the other vertebrates. Okay, all other chordates. All other chordates will not have ancestral kidney. Okay, then structure present in the kidney. What is present for filtration here in the larva of myxine? You can see in the larva of myxine only glomeruli are present. What are glomeruli? Network of blood capillaries. Okay. So due to the pressure exerted by the blood capillaries over one another, there will be filtration of the blood. Okay. So network of blood capillaries, that is glomeruli, will be involved in filtration of the blood in larvae of myxine. Got it? Now anterior kidney or protonephric kidney. एंटीरियर और प्रोटोनेफ्रिक किडनी डेफिनेटली कहाँ पे रहेगा? फंक्शनल इन साइक्लोस्टोम्स. साइक्लोस्टोमाटा इज वन ऑफ द क्लास अंडर डिविजन अग्नाथा. अग्नाथ्स मीन्स jawless organisms. Got it? So cyclostomes and tadpole of frog. Tadpole of frog, it is the larval stage of the frog. Tadpole larva is aquatic. Okay, got it? So tadpole of the frog. Frog amphibian है, but adult amphibian में middle kidney is there, that is mesonephric kidney is there, wherein anterior or protonephric kidney is seen in tadpole of frog and cyclostomes. ठीक है? Non-functional in, it is non-functional. Anterior kidney is non-functional in rest all, that is adult amphibians में भी absent है, tadpole larva of frog में है, but frog में नहीं है. Adult frog is not having which type of kidney? Protonephric kidney or anterior kidney. Okay, so amphibians, then reptiles, birds, mammals do not have protonephric kidney. Okay, got it? Then non-functional, वही तो बोला मैंने, non-functional in all the vertebrates. Even fishes also do not have this type of kidney, anterior kidney. Okay, fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, mammals. Okay, they do not have anterior kidney. Okay, then structure which is present in the anterior kidney, यहाँ पे क्या था? In ancestral kidney only glomeruli were there. Here little bit development occurred and there was formation of funnel shaped structure. Okay, funnel shaped structure, and this funnel shaped structure was having cilia. Okay, this funnel shaped structure is known as nephrostome. Okay, so nephrostome and tubules are there. Okay, so funnel shaped structure leads to the tubular part, and in this funnel shaped structure there is network of blood capillaries. Network of blood capillaries. Okay, network of blood capillaries is known as what? Glomeruli. Okay, glomerulus. So likewise many such funnel shaped ciliated structures, that is nephrostome, will be seen, which is connected to the tubule. So यहाँ पे advancement हो गया as compared to the anterior kidney. In anterior kidney what was there for filtration? Only network of blood capillaries, that is glomeruli were there. Here there were many glomeruli and many funnel shaped structure, that is nephron and tubules for filtration. Okay, got it? So anterior kidney or protonephric kidney is seen in cyclostomes and tadpole larva of frog. It is altogether absent in all vertebrates starting from Pisces till Mammalia. Okay, वो सब में absent है anterior kidney. Now we'll switch over to the next type of kidney, that is middle kidney or mesonephric kidney. Middle kidney or mesonephric kidney functional in, यहाँ पे क्या था? All vertebrates में anterior kidney was altogether absent. So यहाँ पे कुछ vertebrates में middle kidney आया होगा. Which all vertebrates? Fishes, amphibians and reptiles. Okay, so class Pisces, class Amphibia and class Reptilia of subphylum Vertebrata and phylum Chordata are having middle kidney or mesonephric kidney, wherein this type of kidney is altogether absent, non-functional in birds and mammals. Birds and mammals. Okay, what is present here? Still more advancement will be seen. यहाँ पे मैंने क्या बोला था आपको? Funnel shaped ciliated structure, tubules and glomeruli are seen. Here what has happened, still more development. ये funnel shape था, यहाँ पे funnel shape था, यहाँ पे कैसे हो गया, cup shape structure developed. Okay, and in this cup shape structure there was glomerular capillaries. Okay, then this Malpighian body leads to tubular part, that is tubules. Okay, so Malpighian body is there and large number of tubules are present. So Malpighian body with large number of tubules will be seen in middle kidney or mesonephric kidney. So again, mesonephric kidney is seen in fishes, amphibians and reptiles, but it is non-functional in birds and mammals. Okay. So name itself suggests anterior kidney will be seen at the anterior region of the body of organism. Middle kidney is seen in the middle part of our body, of that particular organism. So middle region of the fish body, amphibian body and reptilian body will have middle kidney. Okay, anterior kidney is not there in fishes, amphibians and reptiles. Okay, wherein birds and mammals will altogether have non-functional anterior kidney, middle kidney, okay, but functional last one, that is posterior kidney, that is metanephric kidney. So metanephric kidney is seen in the posterior dorsal part of the body of organism. Which organism? Birds and mammals. Okay. So most efficient type of kidney is seen here. Metanephric kidney is most efficient type of kidney. Why? Because it is having most efficient type of nephrons. Okay. Here what I told you, middle kidney is having Malpighian bodies and large number of tubules. Okay. But tubule was not distinguished into different regions. Okay. In the middle kidney. But metanephric kidney में कुछ सिनेरियो अलग हो गया. नेफ्रॉन का जो माल्पिगियन बॉडी है वो तो था ही, मीन्स बॉमेन्स कैप्सूल इज देयर, ग्लोमेरुलस इज देयर, which will be termed as Malpighian body. In addition to Malpighian body, the renal tubule which is formed, it is having two convoluted regions. One is PCT and another convoluted region is DCT. PCT is proximal convoluted tubule and DCT is distal convoluted tubule, and in between there is loop of Henle's. So isn't it more advanced type of nephron? Okay. In this type of nephron which is seen in metanephric kidney, it is having Malpighian body and renal tubule having proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle's and distal convoluted tubule. And you know very well that total 8 uriniferous tubules or nephrons will join to common collecting duct. So that's why I have added up here collecting duct also. Okay. Generally there are 3 regions of the renal tubule of nephron, that is proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle's and distal convoluted tubule. So all of you understood metanephric kidney, why it is efficient than any other type of kidney? Because here it is having highly developed nephron. Okay, so PCT में maximum reabsorption होता है, loop of Henle is responsible for efficient osmoregulation, okay, balance in the electrolyte as well as water content. Then DCT is responsible for secretion, okay, tubular secretion, जो unwanted substances है, it will be added up in the tubules. Okay, got it? So this is all about types of kidney. So types of kidney में हम लोग ने क्या क्या देखा? Ancestral kidney और archaeonephric kidney, anterior kidney और protonephric kidney, then middle kidney or mesonephric kidney, and fourth one is metanephric kidney or posterior kidney. Okay, got it? Now will be I want to tell you one very important point. okay, which is not related to this particular topic. We have finished mechanism of urine formation. In that I have told you mechanism of urine formation में mechanical part में क्या क्या आता है, 3 processes, that is ultrafiltration, then tubular reabsorption and tubular secretion. In ultrafiltration I have told you that what exactly happens, the network of blood capillaries, that is glomerular blood capillaries, exert pressure over one another, and because of which there will be filtration, ultrafiltrate will be formed. I have explained you altogether what is effective filtration pressure. Effective filtration pressure is what? Net filtration pressure, in which glomerular hydrostatic pressure से क्या माइनस किया जाता है, कैप्सुलर हाइड्रोस्टैटिक pressure and blood osmotic pressure is deducted, and then we get the effective filtration pressure as 10 mmHg, okay, and this effective filtration pressure should remain constant. GFR rate जो है ये अल्ट्रा फिल्ट्रेट बनाने का वो कांस्टेंट रहना चाहिए. That's why there is renal autoregulation, neural regulation and hormonal regulation. Okay, so BP सिस्टम का बढ़ गया, अगर कम हो गया नहीं तो बढ़ गया तो भी किडनी का GFR रेट कांस्टेंट रहना चाहिए. So there are different ways for regulation. That also I have taught you in detail how kidney regulates the GFR rate. Okay, so in this particular topic I want to tell you that you have to remember what is the glomerular filtration rate. Normal glomerular filtration rate per minute कितना है और per day कितना है. This is very important. Sums can be asked on this particular topic. So glomerular filtration rate per minute is 125 ml. Okay, so 125 ml of the nephric filtrate comes in the cavity of the Bowman's capsule. Okay, got it, per minute. So that is the actual filtration rate, and within one day, likewise if we calculate one day में कितने hours रहते हैं, 24 hours, and if we convert hours into minutes, then per minute में 125 ml, so per day में means 24 hours में कितना होगा, 180 liters. Okay, so 180 liter of the nephric filtrate is filtered out in the tubule of the nephron. Okay, but out of that major part of this filtrate is reabsorbed again. Okay, बराबर, water reabsorb होता है, glucose, sodium ions, potassium ions, calcium ions, magnesium ions, ascorbic acid, many hormones, excess amino acids, all these will be reabsorbed again. And you know very well, volume of the urine which is excreted per day is 1.2 liter to 1.8 liter. So 180 liter किधर और 1.2 to 1.8 liter is very less. So maximum reabsorption of the substances will take place from this nephric filtrate. So such is the efficiency of this nephron which is found in metanephric kidney of birds and mammals. Okay, so remember they have very well developed loop of Henle's. Loop of Henle's is very well developed. Okay, that's why hypertonic urine is excreted out by these birds and mammals. So very important. So please note down this when you are writing notes of ultrafiltration. Okay, so with this we have ended up with excretion and osmoregulation. I hope everyone has understood all the topics, and if at all you have not understood anything, you can clear all the doubts. Okay, thank you students.